Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily find your CPU socket type. So if you're upgrading or something like that, you can see the current one. So if I go to CPU Z right here, the software, I can look under here and I can see my current socket type. So under the package, it says socket AM4 1331, and I have the AMD Ryzen 7 3700X. And then I can see more mainboard information too. I'll probably want to go ahead and just look at this and look up my motherboard. So I got the B450M DS3HCF. Now, if you're going to be upgrading your CPU, make sure you have up-to-date drivers on your motherboard BIOS menu. Otherwise, when you plug it in, you're just going to get a black screen. So that's very important that you update this and get the latest driver. You can see mine is as a 1028 2025, I think. So update that. Otherwise, you're going to have a black screen. So to get this, it's very simple. Go to google.com and type in CPU ID. And then go to the first page here, cpuid.com. Download it for Windows. And then you can open this up. And when you open it up, it's just going to be under CPU. And then look up your socket type right here. And then your motherboard too. And then you got your memory under here, DDR4 if you're upgrading that. Here's some more information about your memory, the type and the name of the manufacturer, and your graphics card. So upgrade your BIOS menu, and then you should be good to go if you're upgrading your CPU or your graphics card. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.